What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan, coming with another video. And today I'm gonna make a new video. I'm gonna start off like this. I'm gonna make a video every day until I reach 1,000 subscribers. Thing is, I've been on YouTube for a long time. I never took it serious. I'll take a year off, I'll take 6 months off. I was never consistent. So somebody was telling me, why don't you just take this shit serious, be consistent, and just start making videos again? And you know what? I'm gonna take the advice and go ahead and just make videos until I reach 1,000 subscribers. And then when I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna make a set schedule to make my videos. When I started making videos, I never made videos to be like, oh, I want, subscribers, I want this, I want that, I'm gonna be a millionaire, this and that. No, I just, something to help me out, to talk on the video and get myself out of my comfort zone on speaking and stuff like that. I never had an issue with speaking to people, but, and I don't have stage fright or nothing like that. I can talk to a group of people and it doesn't even bother me, or it doesn't give me issues. However, just talking to, just putting things together, having the vocabulary and speaking is what I use these videos for, to help myself out and see what I need to work on myself. It was never to get serious and stuff like that. But somebody told me, just get serious about it and just make videos. So what I'm gonna do is, for the next 100 days, I'm gonna make videos. It's gonna be about maybe plant-based lifestyle, working out, just a whole bunch. I know they say when you make videos, you have to keep to a niche and just keep it to certain things, but I'm just gonna make videos. However I feel that day, I'm just gonna make a video about however I feel about that day, or different topics that come along this way. As you can all see and you can all know, it's April 19th, 2020. And as you know, everybody's going through a little crisis. However, if you're staying at home or whatever, you out and about and living your life, hopefully everybody's doing well. Hopefully everybody's doing great. So my goal with this is just to make different videos every day until I reach 1,000 subscribers. And then when I reach 1,000 subscribers, then I'll figure everything out. And then I go from 10. And if I reach 100,000 subscribers, then I'll reach it. But somebody told me just to take it serious. So you know what? I'm gonna take YouTube serious, see how it goes, and just watch my videos for the next 100 days. Subscribe on the channel. Subscribe. Keep watching my videos. Just gonna keep making videos every day until I reach 1,000 subscribers. Peace.